All right, continuing on, this slat wall is now done. Moving over to this one. Now this is a double slat wall put together, obviously because I wanted it to be bigger than it comes in. So yeah, that was a lot of screws. That's a lot of screws. Anyway, yeah, so this is the amount of screws so far, just for that half piece, so yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of work actually. I obviously have forgotten how long and how much screws actually went into putting these up when I put them up a couple years ago. But yeah, onto this wall now. I moved everything from here over to this side. I got some, obviously now things are like all over the place. So like my OCD is kind of kicking in. Let's just look away from that. But yeah, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead now and remove this entire wall. And then afterwards, I'm gonna try and tidy up a bit. I got my fan here because it's 31, 32 degrees today. So I got my fan going here. Yeah, then I'm gonna try and clean up a bit, and then I'll see you guys after this one is off the wall. Man, the walls are looking so bare now. Like even over there, man. But yeah, on the way, we're getting to it. Let's keep going. All right, down to the last gray slat wall piece right along the back over there. And then we got the two side pieces left. Removed the cable hiding system, like that stuff right there. I mean, it sticks really well. So yeah, it kind of destroys the drywall. I don't really care on this wall because, like I said previously, this wall is gonna be gone anyway. So for the most part. But yeah, on to the last one there. So whoever hasn't put up slat wall before, it's actually, it's very simple. You put on the outer portions like so. Then you put the first one in, you put the screws, then you put the other one on top of it. It's actually really easy. And then obviously there has to be screws and then another screws, another panel, screws, another panel. So yeah, it's a little back and forth obviously with these screws, because every single time you do take a panel off or put it on, you have to put the screws in, obviously to make it nice and sturdy so you can hold all that crap up later on. But yeah. All right, down to my last panel, and then yeah, that's a lot of panels. I don't know where I'm gonna put these yet. But yeah, and then tidy up afterwards.